Here's a random fact you probably don't know. Mirrors facing each other don't actually create infinite reflections. When two mirrors are placed directly opposite each other, it looks like a never-ending tunnel of images stretching into the distance. But in reality, the reflections gradually get dimmer and eventually disappear. This happens because no mirror is perfect. Typical household mirrors reflect about 90 to 95% of the light that hits them, while the rest is absorbed or scattered. Each time light bounces back and forth between the mirrors, a small fraction of its energy is lost. The effect is cumulative. The first few reflections are bright, but each subsequent reflection loses more light. After dozens of bounces, the reflections become noticeably darker, and after a few hundred, the light is so faint that it is invisible to the human eye. What seems like infinity is actually just an illusion caused by repeated, diminishing reflections. The mirrors themselves also contribute to the fading. Most household mirrors are back surface mirrors, where a thin layer of metal, usually aluminum or silver, is applied behind a sheet of glass. Light passes through the glass to hit the metal, then passes back through the glass after reflecting. Each pass through the glass absorbs a tiny amount of light and slightly distorts it. Small imperfections in the glass or metal layer further blur the image over multiple reflections. Even specially designed scientific mirrors, like those used in lasers or telescopes, which can reflect over 99.9% of light, cannot prevent the gradual fading. No material can reflect 100% of light forever. So the infinite mirror tunnel is really just a beautiful illusion. Each reflection loses energy, gradually fading into darkness. Infinity disappears not because the mirrors stop reflecting, but because the light quietly runs out bounce by bounce.